Caitlin is climbing the mountain.
I'm okay. Just gotta climb up there again. It's almost up. Hey, Mommy.
Here goes Brett from the side. He's gonna ride the sled all the way down if he can make it up the top. Hurry up, I'm getting cold. I think this is the biggest snow pile we have ever had in 12 and a half years of living here. Grab Brett's sled and sled down. Have him hand you the sled.
Oh no!
Oh yeah.
Fall down.
No, you won't.
Yeah, it's too up high.
No, it'd be good.
Brett goes first.
We'll help him get up then.
To Brett. I'll help you.
This snowy, blowy mess.